In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up and use master documents and subdocuments in Word. If you're working on a long report, a thesis, or any project with many sections, master documents help you manage everything from one place while keeping each section in its own smaller file. Start by opening a new Word document that will serve as your master document. Think of this as the hub that pulls together all the pieces. It's a good idea to give it a clear name and keep it in the same folder as any subdocuments you plan to use, so your links stay organized and easy to manage. Next, go to the View tab and click Outline. This switches Word into Outline View, which is designed for structuring and managing big documents. You'll notice the Outlining tab appears at the top with specialized tools. This view doesn't change your content. It simply shows it in a way that makes organizing sections faster and clearer. On the Outlining tab, click Show Document. This button reveals options that control how the master document connects to its subdocuments. You'll see two important choices: Create and Insert. Use Create to add a new empty subdocument right from the master document. This is useful if you want to build your sections from scratch while staying in control of the overall structure. Use Insert when you already have an existing Word file that you want to include as a subdocument. Word will link that file into the master document, keeping the content connected but stored separately. Once you've added subdocuments, Outline View makes it easy to manage them. Each subdocument can be expanded to show its content, or collapsed to keep things tidy. Expanding lets you see and work with the text inside that section, while collapsing helps you focus on the big picture and rearrange sections as needed. This expand and collapse behavior is especially helpful when you're juggling many parts and want a clean overview without losing your place. As you build your structure, keep a few best practices in mind. Use consistent headings so your sections make sense across the entire project. Save your work frequently and consider keeping backups, especially when linking multiple files. Avoid overly complex nested layouts in the master document to keep everything stable and responsive. That's the core process. Open a new document to act as the master, switch to Outline View, use Show Document with Create or Insert to add subdocuments, and expand or collapse them as you organize. With this workflow, you'll keep large projects manageable, flexible, and far easier to maintain over time.